Hello everyone, this is Yashwardhan Panchal from Team Nemeziz. I'm the design engineer for Team Nemeziz. So this video is basically for beginners who have just started using the AutoDesk Fusion 360 software. And in this video, I'll show some features. To show 3 features for beginners, which might help them in their car design process. So starting off with the Revolve feature. With Revolve feature, you can make a canister chamber apart from the body, your custom canister chamber. So to show how this canister chamber fits or how to make it, I'll make a sample body of how your car might look in the starting process. So I'll go to create rectangle, set a rectangle, select this. So a default car or the default model block can be of 65 width with 200 or 210 of length. I'm going to finish sketch, extrude to 50, which is the default length. Press component. Okay, so this might be what the model blocks look like basically. So a chamber goes somewhere over here back, your center. So we'll cut off that part from the top 20. So we'll extrude this part. So this is what your car might look like without the canister chamber. Now the main part, using the Revolve feature to add the canister chamber. And create sketch and select this mid plane. So your car might be in the center. Front view, create, what do that mean? Select the edge of the car, the part where the canister chamber fits, and this length can be of any value you want. I'll take 150 over here. Again, the radius for your canister can be anything you want. So I'm taking a 50, given that you need a extra property to cover the canister chamber. And then go to create, connect curve, join these 2 points, and now again, okay, go back, escape. Now, imagining your car, your canister chamber radius is 9. So this has to be minimum 40. I'll take 50 to here. So this part is where your chamber, the canister, the CO2 canister fits. So you have to keep in mind that. We go to create, connect curve. Select these and make sure your line is not going over here. So I'll keep it like this. Again, this curve can be anyhow you want. Delete this line. Now the main part of using the Revolve feature. Then go to surface. Click on Revolve, select this plane, click select axis, and then click this bottom line as your axis. It will look something like this. Let it be in your body. Click OK. Now, the main part, you won't be able to combine these body, your main body and the separate canister chamber without stitching this body again, because it's hollow from inside. So go to inspect and click on section analysis and click here. See, it's hollow from inside. so it's not a solidified body, you can't combine it. For that, what you have to do is click on Add Stitch, select this body, click OK, and then this separate face is shown as body 2. So go on body 2 and delete that. Now go on Stitch, select this and click on it. So you see it turned from a surface to a solidified body. Now show this again, go to solid, click on combine, click on this as a target body, this as a tool body, and click on new component. And if you want to old components still, you can click on keep tools and then click on OK. You'll see this is a separate caster chamber and it is shown as one body. So then you can go create sketch, select this face, and then go to create a circle, a center diameter circle, click on the center point, and then go to regulations, the diameter should be 19, so we'll keep it 19, and then you can go to solid, you can go extrude, select this, and it can vary between 48 to 56, I believe. I'm going to keep it 52. Make sure in the other direction it's minus 52. So this is your chamber for the car. So this thickness can vary according to you how much you want to keep it. Also the slope can vary according to you how much you want to keep it. This is just an example. Thank you for watching this.